This tutorial is for LG TV. If you're in the hospital or in a hotel and you can't switch to it, I'm going to show you how to switch between HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. As you can see, we're in the hospital. Got a little one on the way. There's my wifey. Wave to him. Y'all wave to him. Hello. As you can see here, where's the remote, baby? As you can see, I have my Fire Stick plugged in. There's a Fire Stick here. You can see me function here. Back. Okay, if I can, give me 1 second, if I can find this remote. Okay. You press 13300. It will switch to HDMI 1 above the song. As you can see, that's HDMI 1. I'm gonna do it one more time. 13300. Hold it. HDMI 1. Okay. For HDMI 2, I have 1, 3. Let me go back. 13200. And you can see it's on HDMI 2. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, get her done.